Integrating Monday.com form responses is a straightforward process that allows you to automate workflows and streamline data collection. To begin, you need to create a form in Monday.com, which can be done by going to the Forms section and clicking on New Form. From there, you can add fields and questions to your form and customize it according to your needs. Once you have created your form, you can integrate it with other boards and workflows in Monday.com. This can be done by using the form response item, which allows you to connect your form to a specific board or workflow. To do this, go to the board where you want to integrate the form responses and click on the plus icon to add a new item. Then, select Form Response from the drop-down menu and choose the form you want to integrate. The next step is to map the form fields to the board columns. This means that you need to match the fields in your form to the columns in your board, so that the data from the form is populated in the correct columns. To do this, click on the Form Response item, and then click on the mapping icon. From there, you can select the board columns that you want to map to the form fields. After you have mapped the form fields to the board columns, you can automate workflows based on the form responses. For example, you can create an automation that sends a notification to a team member when a new form response is submitted, or that assigns a task to a team member based on the form response. Best practices for integrating Monday.com form responses include using clear and concise language in your form fields and board columns, and testing your integrations to ensure that they are working correctly. It is also a good idea to use conditional logic in your form to ensure that the correct fields are displayed to the user, and to use validation rules to ensure that the data submitted is accurate and complete. In conclusion, integrating Monday.com form responses is a powerful way to automate workflows and streamline data collection. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create custom forms, integrate them with other boards and workflows, and automate workflows based on the form responses. With a little practice and patience, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com and take your workflows to the next level.